You guys have been asking me for my frijoles colorado recipe. This is how we do it. This is how we do it in this house. I'm using a pack of El Sembrador frijoles colorado. This is a 12-ounce bag. Just let out the pressure. Beans are fully cooked. I'm gonna set them off to the side and I'm gonna go work on my sofrito. All right, so I have my little saute pan. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil to the bottom. You can also use manteca de puerco. My manteca de puerco is outside and it's raining, so extra virgin olive oil it is. Okay, and it goes to this. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some garlic. I add it now because I don't want it to burn. So I'm adding some garlic, mixing that in, and now I'm gonna season it. Now I'm gonna season it. I'm gonna add in sazon completa, complete seasoning, cumin, oregano, now to this I'm adding a splash of cooking wine, vino seco. And I'm also adding some tomato sauce. I'm gonna cook this for 1 to 2 more minutes and then I'm gonna pour this into the beans. All right, here are my beans. Here's my sofrito. I'm gonna add it all in. At this point, if you have malanga, add it in, or if you have potatoes, add them in. I don't have any of those, so it's going like this. What I'm adding in now is the pumpkin. So I'm adding in my calabaza. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and I'm gonna let it reduce a little bit, just until it thickens up. I want a little bit less liquid, and I'm also gonna cook my pumpkin down. I'll show you when it's done. All right, there's the finished product. You can see how much the liquid has already reduced. And I'm gonna show you, let me move them around. Okay, look how they turned out. Que rico, the pumpkin is cooked. It's fork tender, but it's still together. It's not mushy. That's why I don't like to pressure cook it, because it has a tendency, obviously, to get mushy. This is what they look like. I'm not going to be eating them tonight. I'm actually going to let them cool and then put them in the fridge until tomorrow, and I'm going to be serving them with cornbread. So I'll be back tomorrow and I'll show you how they turned out. Okay, it's the next day. Look how they turned out. Miren esto. Miren esto. I'm going to serve them over some white rice. Y mira, we're going to have them with cornbread. Ahí va, ahí va.
El pancito, yo lo pongo en la esquinita.
Miren, miren. Let me know if you guys make them. Now I'm gonna show you really quick how I eat them. Ve, así lo hago yo. I put the cornbread in the beans, así. And then these little crumbles in the red beans, trust me, when you try it, you'll know what I'm talking about. All right, guys, mira. I keep coming in and out of this video. You guys think the video is ending, but it's not. I keep you on your toes. Mira. No, Renchi. Look at la calabaza. To me, red beans are not red beans without calabaza. Cornbread, chorizo, beans. The best. Try with cornbread.
Mommy, I like mine.
Oh, thank you. You just threw some croutons in mine.